Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add Robux to your Roblox account on mobile device. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to open your Roblox account on your phone. And now after opening your account, all you have to do is to click on these three dots right here down below in the right side. Click on it, then scroll down till you find help partition. Click on help right here, then go down till you find redeem Robux or something like that. As you can see here, how to redeem and spend your gift card. Click on it, then click on the link in this area, the blue link. Click on it also. Then it will show you this page right here, and all you have to do is to enter the code of your gift card in order to add the Robux or anything that you want into your account without opening the game on your PC. So simply you can type the code of the gift card, then click on redeem right here, and the virtual item will be added to your account. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.